Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. So let me share with you an Envato PlaceIt coupon for this Cyber Monday. So you will get up to 50% off for your subscription for PlaceIt. So go ahead and check the link from this video description. So you will get 10% off for your monthly plan and 50% off for your yearly plan. So if you want to get a yearly subscription for PlaceIt, now is the time. Go ahead and grab a 50% off discounted price for your annual plan. So if you want to get any of the logos or designs from PlaceIt, now is the time and get a yearly plan for it, because this huge discount is only until the Black Friday and Cyber Monday period ends. In 7 days it will be over. So around Monday 1st of December you will not be able to get this deal anymore. So go ahead guys, grab this 50% off deal for the annual plan on PlaceIt and go ahead, create your awesome logos. So this is all for today. Bye bye.